Sometimes in life, the darkest moment may be that moment just before the dawn of a great fulfillment. We need not despair. We are on the side of right.
At a time when Negroes throughout the South and across the nation have organized demonstrations and civil disorders to call attention to their demands for more civil rights, St. Augustine has had its share of conflicts. In the afternoon, violence erupted at St. Augustine Beach as a group of whites attacked about 75 integrationists during a wait-in demonstration.
The Negroes of St. Augustine, we have gone too far now to turn back, and we will not be content until the sagging walls of segregation have been crushed by the battering rams of the forces of justice. I'm talking about a love that is so strong that it becomes a demanding love. I'm talking about a love that is so strong that it organizes itself into a mass movement. Nobody in America can really be free until all of us are free.
Until all of us are free.